Court will continue hearing a batch of petitions that will be challenging the constitutional validity of the Waqf Amendment 2025. A bench comprising of Chief Justice Sanjiv Khanna and Justice Sanjay Kumar and K.V. Vishwanathan will willingly to issue a notice on the petitions and pass a short order. However, the centre and some of the states have sought time to place their submissions before any interim order is passed. The Apex Court will now hear the matter at 2 p.m. today, and this is in fact one of the biggest stories that we are tracking at this point of time, as the constitutional validity of the Waqf Amendment 2025 continues to be at the spotlight. The opposition and the parties cornering the BJP on the changes in the reforms that have been brought by Waqf continues to challenge it in a legal discourse. Sambhav Sharma joins me live on the broadcast. Sambhav, what are the petitions that will today make it to the Supreme Court before the bench, as yesterday there was in fact the hearing underway, and today remains to be also very crucial, as the petitions before the CJI is also going to be in fact having arguments on challenging the constitutional validity of the Waqf Amendment?
Well, hearing in this case is going to be continued today. Also, the top court bench led by Chief Justice of India Sanjiv Khanna is to hear the matter at 2 p.m. and it is likely that the centre is going to put its argument today, and an order could come today, because top court yesterday hinted that they are likely to pass an order on Thursday, and it is to be seen what happens, because yesterday hearing underwent for over approximately around 2 hours, where different parties made their submissions, where counsels for AIMIM made submissions. Senior Advocate Kapil Sibal was there. Senior Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi asked for a stay on this particular Amendment Act, and also many other advocates made their submission. And finally, the turn came of the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who is the top law officer of the country, who appeared for the centre and defended the act vehemently and said that this act is going to streamline the Waqf properties and the Waqf boards, to which Chief Justice of India questioned Solicitor General on various fronts. Also, how non-Muslims are being included in this particular act, and how the new act will look like. So these were the questions by the bench, and there were many other questions also asked by bench to the petitioners, especially Senior Advocate Kapil Sibal, wherein Chief Justice of India inquired about why are you opposing this particular act and what is that. So Kapil Sibal said that Article 26, 29 of Indian Constitution, which deals with the right of minorities, and this particular act infringes upon the Article 26 and 29 of Constitution, and hence it is against the minorities. So these were the arguments made in the Supreme Court. Also, Supreme Court hinted that it is likely that they can assign all these matters related to the Waqf Amendment Act and all these petitions. Approximately around 70 petitions are there in the Supreme Court. So they could assign one High Court, and that particular High Court will hear the matter, or the Supreme Court will take all the matters pending in different High Courts of the country to itself, and Supreme Court can hear all these matters by itself. So these are the possibilities. A lot is to happen today.
All right, Sambhav, thank you very much for sharing more details. We'll continue to keep a close tab on the development.